Hi everybody, it's Sandy from Angerstein's. Welcome you to fall. Wanted to go over a few things that we have to offer you for the cooler weather. We have a pretty large selection of some gas and wood fire pits, and we'll walk around and show you a few of those options. Most of them can take the tank underneath of the fire pit, which makes it pretty convenient, and it gives you a nice amount of heat for the fall weather for your cool evenings. We also know, so those are gas. I also have another gas one over here, which is pretty popular in the gray and white color. And then we'll walk up front and I'll show you a lot of the wood burning boxes or wood burning fire pits that we have. We have a pretty good selection of those also. With some different themes. I have trees and bears, seashells, standard fire pits also. So I don't know if you can see, that one's a seashell one, and then there's a forest. Then that one's a bear. And I think the other one is grass, maybe? So kind of woodland creatures, and then some generic ones also. Square, round, all of them with some grates so you can cook on them if you would like to. I also have this really cool folding one from Master Heat and a fire, and that will fold down and go into a pack so you can pack it away, take it on camping, and it just slips back in together. It's kind of a really cool feature, and they are made in the United States. As Kelly turns around, we also have a really large selection on Fireplace screens and tools, spark guards, folding screens, a lot of different tools, a lot of different color options. I do have also some electric fireplaces that just the logs that can go in your existing fireplace. Very easy transformation to go from wood to a really nice electric look with some heat to it, so it's kind of a nice feature. So please come in and take a look at what we have, and we hope to see you soon. Happy fall.